Inna the jungle where the sun barely shine, yet your light a guide me through the darkest time. Treading upon the stones with the truth inna me bone, heart clean, soul pure, Rasta man stand alone. Babylon whisper lies, but me spirit never shake. Jah fire blaze high, every chain Jah a break. Jah light inna the jungle, who it a humble me soul. From the river to the hillside, Jah take full control. When the night get cold and the wicked them rumble, Rasta chant for the peace. Jah truth never stumble. Me say wisdom grow deep like the roots of the tree. Ancestors them attack and them voice set me free. Open up your mind, let the knowledge reveal. Cause righteousness alive more than flesh, more than steel. The youths need guidance, the ghetto need hope. So me chant a little psalm while the herbs help me cope. Oh. Jah light inna the jungle, who it a humble me soul. From the river to the hillside, Jah take full control. When the night get cold and the wicked them rumble, Rasta chant for the peace. Jah truth never stumble. Rise up, no make Babylon trap you. Hold firm on the path where the most I rap. You no fighting at the life, but your love still super. Guidance stronger than the wickedness them push up. Me no bow, me no bend, me no walk with the fraud. Jah kingdom the near, so me chant to me God. Every little step me take, me I walk with intention. More blessings on the stars, Jah love in abundance. So me send out the message to the youth, them a roam like they inna the jungle. Ras, Jah lead you home. Jah light inna the jungle, shining bright for we all. Even when the trees tall, Jah still hear you call. Inna the struggle and the stumble, when the enemies grumble, Jah light stand firm. Never fade, never crumble. Jah light inna the jungle. Jah light inna the jungle. Inna the jungle where the sun barely shine, yet Jah light a guide me through the darkest time. Treading upon the stones with the truth in my boat. Heart clean, soul pure, Rasta man stand alone. Babylon no whisper lies, but my spirit never shake. Jah fire blaze high, every chain Jah a break. Jah light inna the jungle, who it a humble me soul. From the river to the hillside, Jah take full control. When the night get cold and the wicked them rumble, Rasta chant for the peace. Jah truth never stumble. Rasta chant for the peace. Jah truth never stumble. Me say wisdom grow deep like the roots of the tree. Ancestor them attack and them voice set me free. Open up your mind, let the knowledge reveal. Cause righteousness alive more than flesh, more than steel. The youths need guidance, the ghetto need hope. So me chant a little psalm while the herbs help me cope. Jah light inna the jungle, who it a humble me soul. From the river to the hillside, Jah take full control. When the night get cold and the wicked rise up, no make Babylon trap you. Hold firm on the path where the most I rap you. No fighting at the life, but your love still super. Guidance stronger than the wickedness. Them push up, me no bow, me no bend, me no walk with the fraud. Jah kingdom in here, so me chant to me God. Every little step me take, me a walk with intention. More blessings than the stars, Jah love in abundance. So me send out the message to the youth, them a roam. Like they in the jungle, Rasta lead you home. Jah light in the jungle, shining bright for we all. Even when the trees tall, just still hear your call. In the struggle and the stumble, when the enemies grumble, Jah light stand firm. Never fear.